Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to take macro photos up close. To do so, you need to at first open your camera application. Now here, as you can see, I've got four actually zoom options apart from swiping like this. We've got 1x, I think it was 2x, 0.5, and this flower. This flower is macro. Just click this icon and you can take photos up close of many things, like for example our logo like this. You need to keep things 3 to 5 centimeters from the camera and your photos will look like this. Brilliant. Goodbye.